Disable type 1 diabetes symptoms with dietary changes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the body's immune system attacks the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, leading to high blood sugar levels. While there is currently no cure for type 1 diabetes, managing the condition through dietary changes and insulin therapy can help alleviate symptoms and improve overall health. Here are some dietary changes that may help manage type 1 diabetes symptoms. Count carbohydrates. Carbohydrate counting is a technique that involves monitoring the number of carbohydrates in your meals and adjusting your insulin dosage accordingly. This can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Choose complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are broken down more slowly than simple carbohydrates, which can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Foods and drinks high in sugar can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be especially problematic for people with type 1 diabetes. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods can help ensure that you are getting the nutrients you need to maintain good health. It's important to note that while dietary changes can be helpful for managing type 1 diabetes, they should be made in consultation with a healthcare professional. Additionally, insulin therapy is usually required to manage blood sugar levels in people with type 1 diabetes. Count carbohydrates. Carbohydrate counting involves monitoring the number of carbohydrates in your meals and snacks and adjusting your insulin dosage accordingly. This can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. It's important to balance your intake of complex carbohydrates with other nutrients, such as protein and healthy fats, to maintain a balanced diet. Your healthcare professional can help you determine the appropriate frequency and timing of blood sugar monitoring based on your individual needs. It's important to note that dietary changes alone may not be sufficient to manage type 1 diabetes, and insulin therapy is usually required to manage blood sugar levels. If you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe and like buttons to receive more important information on dealing with type 1 diabetes.